going to show you how to make your carrot oil in the comfort of your home. So yeah, if you want to see how I make it, please continue watching. So as you can see now, I'm scraping the back of the carrot after washing it. So, and after that, I'm going to go ahead and start grating them. So as you can see, I have my carrot and I have these two graters. So I want to start using the bigger one. I will try the smaller one later. So but now I'm using this one. So as you can see, I tried the smaller grater to see if it's okay, but it looks like it will take me ages to finish it. So I started using the bigger one. And while doing that, you want to make sure you do this carefully because of your fingers. As you can see, the ones I did, once you get to this stage, you want to stop grating the carrot and just leave them because you don't want anything to hurt your fingers. So after doing this, I'm going to go ahead and show you the next process. So my lovelies, in an empty pan, I'm going to go ahead and transfer the carrots I'm going to use to make this oil. Yeah, so you might be wondering why I don't want to add oil first. Yes, this is because I don't want to use the frying method. I'm still going to add the oil, but I want to use the cooking method using oil. So my lovelies, now I'm going to go ahead and add extra virgin olive oil inside this carrots, and I'm going to add just the quantity of oil I need, and I'm going to go ahead and combine it together. So as you can see, I'm just adding a little bit more, and that's it. And I'm going to stir it and make sure it's well combined. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on my cooker, and I'm going to make sure I put it on a very low heat. You don't want to cook this on a high heat. I make sure I stir it every like 2 or 3 minutes. You don't want to be cooking your carrot oil and then you leave it for a longer time without stirring it. You want to be around and do this. Remember, we are using oil, but we are using cooking method. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys the benefits of carrot oil. Carrot oil is so rich in vitamins and is very effective moisturizer. It has so much benefits such as hair growth, and also it nourishes the skin. It's so good. It's very good. It can glow your skin. It can make your skin smooth. So yeah, carrot oil is so amazing on the skin and hair. So yeah, moving on, I'm going to go ahead and off my cooker, and I'm going to stir this one more time, and I'm going to put it aside. So moving on, I'm going to leave this oil to cool down, and I'm going to do that by allowing this oil to stay for up to 10 to 12 hours, so everything will be properly infused. So towards the evening time, just before I went to bed, this is how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the next process. As you can see, I'm showing you here all the containers I'm going to use to transfer this oil. You can use a good bottle or something like airtight container, something good, or any thing of your choice, any bottle of your choice, any jar of your choice. So this is the next process. So in this funnel, I'm going to place it a sieve, and I'm going to sieve this oil. So while I'm doing that, I'm making sure that the oil is coming out properly. So I'm just going to continue to do this and until I finish, and I'm going to bring you guys later.
It's constantly no, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, telling myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you.
So my lovelies, I'm going to go ahead and sieve this oil one more time. I want to make sure it's well clean, and I don't want any trace of carrots in it. So watch me as I do this. As you can see, oh my lovelies, now we are going to add vitamin E, and this is organic pure vitamin E. Vitamin E oil helps regenerate new skin cells and also helps lighten brown spots or scars on your skin. And this vitamin E oil is antioxidant, and this will help to prolong the shelf life of this carrot oil, and this is because of its antioxidant properties. So my lovelies, I'm going to go ahead and add these few drops, and after doing that, I'm going to go ahead and use a spoon and stir everything together, making sure it's well combined. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and distribute this oil inside the jars, inside the bottles, and yeah, and after doing that, I will bring you guys back and show you how you can apply it on your skin.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly no, I won't make a sound. I love the pain.
So my lovelies, after transferring this oil, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can apply them. As you can see, I'm just going to apply just a little bit of drops on my skin. As you can see how moisturized this looks. Like, it feels so good. It feels really good. Carrot oil is so moisturizing. Like, you see how glowing my skin looks. So my lovelies, this is the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please go ahead and share this video guys, and subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and leave me your comments, your thoughts. Let me know what you think. And yeah, until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye lovelies.
I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out.